what's the way to Mr. Boytar Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. So we're here with
Reiki.
You feel me? We're gonna have my American girlfriend reacting some Kenyan music. Yeah. We watch this video for to go crazy, y'all. So hit that like button. Follow me right now on Twitch. We live on Twitch doing this reaction right now. It's going to be pinned in the comment section or in the description, y'all. But today we got Toxic Lyrikali. This song is called Lowkey. No, I don't understand. I forgot what y'all spoke. The language I spoke in Kenya. My bad. I apologize. I apologize. I think it's not Swahili. It's not. I don't know, but I apologize in advance. But let's get straight to this reaction right now. And let's see. You know, it is. The song is called Lowkey, and yeah, let's get it. Let's chat it. Let's go. Doba. Look at that.
Vile nacheza Lowkey, wezi mezo niko na Lowkey nazisafirisha na
all right, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this and we're gonna give her that sense so she's gonna hear what they're talking about. Go ahead.
You can hear it?
I want to get your reaction to it. Go ahead. No, put it over here. I want to get her, like, don't put it too much to remember. But I want to get her full reaction to these Kenyan songs. Yeah, let's see what she got. Let's see. You ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Vile nacheza Lowkey, wezi mezo niko na Lowkey nazisafirisha nasimamisha maploti na nicha lazima marima nasimamisha mapira na napin machogi make sure ndai zote nimetindirisha.
I got a question for you, dog. How many words have you made it out that they said? How many words have you like picked up on that he said?
0. But I was reading it.
You ain't heard Lowkey? You said Lowkey?
I've heard Lowkey. Okay, Lowkey I've heard. Because that's in the title. Come on now. I heard Lowkey, of course, but like other words, I didn't hear any other words. I'm not gonna lie. But like I'm reading the subtitles and shit.
Okay. Under the water.
That's no.
Other than under the water.
Else is different.
Read that line right there. That's on there right now.
Unzi nam. When I pass, I've turned on the waras. They feed under the water.
Let's go.
Nimekiwasha waras wakilisha chini ya maji Lowkey. Kina na kuna kitu ikosi. Nimejitambua sitaji hizo trophies. Ana back nimezoea mikosi. Not nice, sijui kama umenotice. Najihusisha kama kona manoti. Nachomoa kadam, super shaggy ukanoti. Lowkey, kidosi. Lowkey, nza kidosi. Behind bars neza waila ina punch. Kinda white na feature white kio mta. Nugu business zimi wa mata. In fact tukipatana kuna impact tutamake. Kitungi tall kama brad. White precipitate ndani ya lab. Sumo kama
she vibes with this motherfucker.
No, because I'm starting to hear more of the words. Like they starting to say the same.
More English.
Exactly.
She's starting to hear more English. She's like, hold on, let me lock in now, y'all. She got the English go. Hold on. She was like, yeah. He said, John Biscuit messing with this, bro. I'm telling you, bro, them Kenyan viewers, bro, they gonna tap in, bro. You should do some Kenyan reactions, John Biscuit. Trust me, y'all. Trust me. Let's go, though.
Kawa kama dawa kwa marad, tukiwasafishia rada ni clean, wezi investigate. White na maziwa, dirty beats, style chafu kwa maziwa. Roma na beef za uduna na mazia, wananiuzia uoga, sijatenga hiyo maziwa Lowkey. Mini dosi na nachoma hadi nyongi, Sunda irori full tank ila modi. Nisa, ona na nikundi, hepa, ukinona vile nacheza Lowkey. Wezi mezo niko na Lowkey, nazisafirisha, nasimamisha maploti na nicha lazima. Marima nasimamisha mapira na napin machogi.
She over here having more fun than me. She realized she turned it into this mother.
It's nice though, I swear to God. Like the beat and everything. It's nice.
You could get jiggy with this shit.
Even though I don't really understand it, but
you can get jiggy with this shit.
Okay. It's shit fire, I ain't gonna lie.
She can get jiggy with this shit, y'all.
It's fire.
She can get jiggy with this shit. Let's go though.
Shuandai zote nimetindirisha. Wezinga nikipita, nimekiwasha waras wakilisha chini ya maji Lowkey. kinena kuna kitu ikosi, nimejitambua sitaji hizo trophies. Ona bad nimezoea mikosi, not nice sijui kama umenotice. Najihusisha kama iko na manoti, nachomoa kadhaa msupa shake ukanoti. Lowkey, kidosi, Lowkey, nza kidosi.
Hold on, chat. Let me change this up real quick. I forgot I was in a reaction. I gotta change something real quick. Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. Why is this not moving? Hold on, chat. I'm trying to fix something real quick, y'all. It's not working. Damn. There we go.
He said Lowkey, kiddo.
There we go.
Lowkey is for kiddo. I know the song.
Say what about the song?
Lowkey, kiddo. Lowkey is for kiddo. Three?
Yeah. All right. Hold on. Boom. Boom. I had to get this right because she vibing to this reaction a little bit too much. Like Lowkey. All right, let's get back to the reaction. Let's go.
Full Buddha simu juniana chapana kwa sinia. Lowkey dereva nimejifanya biria. Daily wanafikiria venye atanifikia. Kimbiza mali kwa milima nikimediza. Deals napiga ndo jua uko na kill. Super bodies tina koma cannabis leaves. Lowkey
What he said?
He said cannabis leaves.
He said cannabis leaves. Let go.
Kamejipinsi kiprop, nasikia kina work properly. Na arif msomtu safirishe mto. Na shakla zetu ziflow venye na flow kamto. Usilete za usos patikani ukipost. Mali tuko hizo reba zisifiki uko post. In case uko nje yoni case. Nishangasha nimepandisia babe. Zina za Ferrari na DM imeja hey. True color sezi mezome pink. Lowkey, kinena kuna kitu ikosi. Nimejitambua sitaji hizo trophies. Ona bad nimezoea mikosi. Not nice sijui kama
What he said?
Shit, go back for them to see that shit. He said he don't need no trophies. Look, it's not the need for trophies. Man, a bad. I'm used to mistakes.
Man, a bad. I'm used to mistakes.
Trophies, ona bad nimezoea mikosi. Not nice sijui kama umenotice. Najihusisha kama iko na manoti. Nachomoa kadhaa msupa shake ukanoti. Lowkey, kidosi, Lowkey, nza kidosi.
Okay, cool. Okay. 1 through 10. Rate Lowkey.
I give that a good 7.5.
Yeah,
that's pretty good for somebody who doesn't really like. I understand really nothing, but the vibe. Exactly what you just said. No,
it was Lowkey, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Toxic Lyrikali, you hear me? She fuck with it. You got a new American fan today, Toxic. You feel me? So you know what to do. Clean the songs up, make it a little more English in it, and you know you're good to go.
Because the beat and everything
was Lowkey. Everything was Lowkey.
It was fire.
Y'all see our now video. Y'all smash that like button. Subscribe if y'all new over here. We're trying to get 100K subs. For the posted video right now live for y'all on YouTube. If y'all just watch this video right now, we live on Twitch doing reactions. So tap the link in the comments or in the description. Let's go.